Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic chicken coleslaw sandwich. We'll start by preparing the chicken, ensuring it's tender and flavorful. Next, I'll guide you through creating a vibrant, creamy coleslaw that adds the perfect crunch. Finally, we'll bring it all together, assembling a sandwich that's both satisfying and easy to make. Get ready to enjoy a truly delicious meal. For the chicken, you'll want about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs. Poaching or baking are great methods to keep it moist. Cook until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, shred the chicken finely using 2 forks. This creates a wonderful texture that blends perfectly with the coleslaw. A little salt, pepper, and paprika will enhance its flavor. Now let's make that amazing coleslaw. In a large bowl, combine 4 cups of shredded cabbage and 1 cup of shredded carrots. For the dressing, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper. Pour this creamy dressing over your vegetables and mix thoroughly. Let it chill for at least 30 minutes. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Choose a soft yet sturdy bread like brioche buns or ciabatta rolls. Lightly toast them for a little extra texture and warmth. Place a generous amount of your seasoned shredded chicken onto the bottom bun. Then, pile on a spoonful of that delicious, creamy coleslaw. Top with the other half of the bun, and your incredible chicken coleslaw sandwich is ready to enjoy. Simple, yet so satisfying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.